Alright, let's take a look at this Qiewa QHUMMER2 electric scooter. It's a little bit heavy, but still have enough space by putting inside my steady S400. The scooter is 2,400 watts, 2 motors and 28Ah LH battery. And let's see the scooter I just got. Yeah, it's a little heavy, but I can barely lift it down by one hand. This part of QHUMMER2 can be completely folded and the body will not shake, so I can lift it down easily. Let's give it a try. This handlebar can also be folded, which is great. You can gain more space to storage. And just turning it, it will be fixed. This handlebar will not shake. It's very nice. There are 2 parts of folding. First one, you need to press down right here and pull out another one. They will see it's really stable. Handlebar will not shake when you ride it. This off-roading is really strong and tough. This front suspension, it has enough space from the tire, looks sound. And there is left handle right up here, so you can lift it up. And fender is top. This thing won't move when you ride it. There's also suspension right over here. Here 10-inch pneumatic tire and hold your brake for this scooter. It has double front and rear brakes. It's really sensitive when I press it. Look at this hold your brake and you got a top sensitive brake feedback when you press it. Use a key to start scooter. You can turn on this side light by press and holding the remote button for about 2 seconds. And this holder right up here, just press it. Read loud and clear. And turn on the headlight right here. And you've got 2 more to switch if you want it. And let's go down to check. This when headlight turn on. You can lightning light and LED light both sides of scooter. It's really nice, and the color is changing when it is turned on, making more self-exciting. This is how brake light works. When I pull the brakes, the brake light turn on. It says 1,200 watts right here of the motor. The scooter got very strong and tough body, which is great.